Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2017 Toyota Corolla CE. This car is in very clean condition. As you can see, this paint is very nice and is really pristine. This car does come with a nice hood deflector just right in the front. And you also do have the nice safety features that Toyota loves to have. You do have the front collision mitigation, and you also do have the lane departure warning with this vehicle. This vehicle also does come with the touchscreen display and so much more. Now let's get into the interior. So getting into the interior of the Corolla, it does have the nice analog cluster with the nice blue backing in the background so you can see it very brightly. You do have the nice infotainment in the middle with the odometer, trip odometer and stuff like that. You also do have the volume up down on this side, and then you also have hands-free calling on this side. You also do have the nice safety features where it's front collision mitigation, and you do have the lane departure warning. With this vehicle, you also do have nice touchscreen display where you can see the Bluetooth, you can have AM FM radio, and you also do have aux and USB connections also. This vehicle also is paired with the nice cloth interior also. So getting into the rear, it is very comfortable for a compact sedan. So if you did want a chance to come view this Toyota Corolla, you can definitely come see it at 950 Regent Avenue West, or you can contact us at 204-667-9200. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.